Hi, I'm Mark Christopher, and welcome to DN Tips, where we break down CNC technology to help manufacturers make smarter equipment decisions. Today, we're going to talk about a question that a lot of shop owners are asking themselves. Should I invest in a multitasking machine, or is a 5-axis machining center in my future? Both are powerful technologies, and both are extremely accurate, but they're built to serve very different functions on the shop floor. The right choice really comes down to how your parts flow through your operation. So when we talk about 5-axis machining, we're typically talking about machining complex parts and fewer setups by accessing multiple sides of the part in a single operation. A 5-axis machine, like the DN Solutions DVF Series, excels at complex geometries, contoured surfaces, tight tolerances, and reducing setups on prismatic or complex parts. From a production standpoint, the biggest advantage of a 5-axis machine, like the one behind me, is accuracy through fewer setups. When you reduce part handling, you improve consistency, protect your part quality, and reduce opportunities for error. Now, it's important to point out, accuracy isn't exclusive to 5-axis machines. DN Solutions multitasking machines are also extremely accurate, but they're designed to achieve that accuracy while performing multiple operations in one platform. So that brings us to multitasking. Multitasking machines, like the DN Solutions SMX Series, combine turning and milling in a single machine. They're designed to take a part from raw stock to finished component without moving it between machines. From a production perspective, multitasking machines are ideal when parts require both turning and milling. You want to eliminate multiple setups across different machines. If your floor space and your labor efficiency matter, and if you're focused on process consolidation and predictable part flow. So instead of running a part on a lathe and then transferring it to a mill, a multitasking machine does everything in one controlled environment, maintaining accuracy while dramatically simplifying the process. So how do you decide which one is right for your shop needs? If your parts are primarily prismatic or highly contoured and don't require extensive turning, a 5-axis solution like the DVF Series is often the best fit. It delivers precision, flexibility, and efficiency for complex machining. Now, if your parts are more cylindrical and require both turning and milling operations, a multitasking solution like the SMX Series can significantly reduce handling, labor, and lead time, while still delivering the accuracy that you expect from DN Solutions. In simple terms, 5-axis machining is about access, geometry, and setup reduction. Your multitasking is about process consolidation and workflow efficiency. Both platforms are highly accurate. The real difference is what job you're asking the machine to do. I want to thank you for watching DN Tips today. If you're evaluating whether a 5-axis machine or a multitasking machine is the right move for your operation, I want you to head to DN Solutions website to explore your options and learn more.